Manufacturing companies are faced with the constant challenge to stay innovative, manage limited workforces strategically, and mitigate risk. Poorly managed systems can become liabilities that are expensive and can compromise workplace safety. FactoryWiz exists to help alleviate these challenges by offering products that visualize the production process, enhance communication and collaborating, streamlining the production process, and boosting overall efficiency. Our range of products were designed through extensive research and feedback of what manufacturing owners and managers need for their operations. FactoryWiz Machine and Equipment Monitoring provides real-time monitoring and data analysis, providing managers with valuable insights into improvement opportunities for production processes and operational costs. FactoryWiz DNC is a robust, networked DNC system that allows users to securely edit, send, and receive CNC programs to equipment. FactoryWiz Machine and Equipment Monitoring displays live data on computers, tablets, cell phones, or FactoryWiz TV. You'll also be able to receive customized reports delivered directly to your email. This wide availability of display options bridges the gap between the manufacturing equipment and management, eliminating risk of miscommunication or tying up valuable time of floor managers. FactoryWiz DNC streamlines the process of sending and receiving programs, allowing easy upload and download of programs to your machine tools with just a few keystrokes. FactoryWiz optimizes what you already have by enabling your team to be more efficient. Networking your machines removes the security risks associated with memory sticks and gives you control over your programs. Whether used as part of the monitoring system or standalone, FactoryWiz DNC can help you streamline your program control process. With over 40 years of experience in improving the manufacturing industry, FactoryWiz provides manufacturers with the tools they need to run more efficiently. Our products do not require an annual subscription, which gives you a lower cost of ownership, as well as complete control over your data. In today's security-conscious world, it's essential to store your data where you and your IT team want, without the risk of proprietary information and processes being controlled by third parties. FactoryWiz makes this possible. FactoryWiz offers you data on your system, presented the way you want it, empowering you to achieve success in the complex and demanding world of manufacturing. Reach out to our team directly at FactoryWiz.com to learn how FactoryWiz products can help you cut down on costs, mitigate risks, and streamline your production.